Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. So in previous class, 5 problems completed on integration by parts. That means model 8. Today I am going to explain 6 to 10. That means another 5 problems by using integration by parts. So integration by parts means integral udv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. There are two different functions exist in integrand. Integrand having two different functions. By using on that to evaluate that type of integrands, we apply integration by parts. Okay. So what is the sixth problem? Now sixth is integral log x into dx. So actually the integrand having two different functions, but here only one function. Where is the another function? First function is there. Where is the second function? Though that second function is treated as 1. So this is also a function. That means constant function. That is algebraic function. That means polynomial. That is 0-degree polynomial. So first function is log x. What is the rule? Elate. The first function u is equal to what is u? Log x. Inverse logarithmic function by the following this order, elate order. So first function is log x. What is the derivative of u? D by dx of u is equal to d by dx of log x. That equal to du by dx is equal to 1 by x. By cross multiplication du is equal to 1 by x dx. So take first function u is equal to log x, differentiating on both sides, we get du is equal to 1 by x dx. So first one is over. So we get u is equal to log x and du is equal to 1 by x dx. Take second function. So the remaining part is second function. This is second function, that means dv. This is first function, this is u. The second function dv is equal to 1 into dx. Integrating on both sides, integral dv is equal to integral 1 into dx. Integral dv means v, that equal to 1 into dx, x. So v is equal to x, dv is equal to 1 into dx. So by using formula integration by parts, integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. Write u log x, dv 1 into dx, u log x, v x, integral v x. What is du? 1 by x dx. That equal to x log x minus x cancel, integral 1 into dx. That equal to x log x minus x plus c. Integral 1 into dx, x. Take common x. That equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. Problem is over. By using integration of the log function, that means integral log x dx is equal to integral log x dx is equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ లేదని కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదని అనుకోకూడదు. సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ మనకి ఇన్విజిబుల్ కనపడదు. అది విజిబిలిటీగా ఉండాలంటే కనుక వన్ ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్ అని రాసుకుంటే అప్పుడు మన సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ ట్రీట్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఇది లాగ్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్ కెన్ రిటన్ యాజ్ లాగ్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ 1 ఇంటూ డిఎక్స్. టేక్ u is equal to log x, dv is equal to integral differentiation and integration. We get the u, du, dv, v. All these values substituting in this formula. Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. We get the required integration. So integral log x dx is equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. So first problem is, sixth problem is over. What is the, now I am going to explain seventh one. What is seventh one? Integral x square log x dx. Here integral x square log x dx. What is the first function? First function is u is equal to log x. Same, there is no change in this seventh problem. U is equal to log x. So differentiating by the, according to the rule elate. By the elate, the first function u is equal to log x. So du is equal to 1 by x dx. There is no change. Okay. Next, what is second function? This is seventh problem. Write log x into x square dx. This can be written as integral x square log x dx, integral log x into x square dx. The second function, this is the second function, this is first function. This is first function u. So u is equal to log x, du is equal to 1 by x dx. Next, second function dv is equal to x square dx. X square dx. So integrating on both sides, integral dv is equal to integral x square dx, that equal to integral x square dx by using integral x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that equal to x power 3 by 3. So what is the value of v? X cube by 3. So we get u is equal to log x, du is equal to 1 by x, dv is equal to x square dx, d is equal to x cube by 3. These four values substituting in this formula. Here u log x, dv x square dx is equal to u log x. V, what is v? V is equal to x cube by 3 minus integral v x cube by 3 into what is du? Du is equal to 1 by x dx. So x square times cancel. The remaining part is 1 by 3 into x cube. That means x square times. So log x cube by 3, x cube by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 remaining part. So x square times cancel. Integral x square dx, that equal to x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3, that equal to 1 by 3. What is the integral x square dx? By using integral x power formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is equal to again x by x cube by 3 plus c. So the final value is integral x square into log x dx is equal to x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 9 x cube plus 3. So problem is over. So this is seventh one is similar to sixth one. Slight difference is the second function is in the sixth problem the second function is 1 into dx. In seventh problem the second function is x square into dx. So integration is different. So both are same. Slightly different with a slight difference. Next I am going to explain in eighth one. What is eighth one? Integral x power n dx. Same. U is equal to log x. Du is equal to 1 by x dx. What is second function? X power n into dx. Okay? నేను ఈ ఎయిత్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లం బోర్డు మీద చేసినప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఎయిత్ వన్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ log x. So this can be written as x power n log x dx. Right in this way. Log x into x power n dx. The first function is u log x by the according to the rule elect. So u is equal to log x. Second function dv is equal to x power n into dx. X power n into dx. So differentiating on both sides, du is equal to 1 by x dx. Integrating on both sides, integral dv is equal to x power n dx. Direct form x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So v is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Write the formula into u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. That equal to u dv is equal to u log x v x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus what is v? Integral v means x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into what is du? Du is equal to 1 by x dx. So here n plus 1 is constant right in front of integration. So 1 by n plus 1 integral 1 x cancel. Integral remaining part is x power n. ఇక్కడ x ఉంది కాబట్టి x power n plus 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి by cancellation x power n times that equal to x power n dx. So by using again formula integral x power n dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this n plus 1 into n plus 1 whole square. The final integration is integral log x into x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into log x minus 1 by n plus 1 whole square into x power n plus 1 plus c. So these three are similar problems, but here integration is different. Integral 1 into dx here, integral x square dx here integral x power n dx. So process is same. So three problems completed, 6, 7, 8. Next problem is ninth one. By applying integration by parts, but here function is in powers 2. So this is not applicable for integration by parts. First this x into sin square x. First simplify the sin square x. So by previous knowledge in trigonometry, multiple and submultiple angles, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So this sin square can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So here 2 is constant, right, in front of integration. 1 by 2 integral x dx minus x into cos 2x dx by term by term separation. X into 1 x into cos 2x మధ్యలో మైనస్ ఉంది, x minus x into cos 2x dx. Okay, by term integration 1 by 2 integral x into dx minus integral x into cos 2x dx. ఇలా స్ప్లిట్ చేయకపోతే మన ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ v is equal to సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్, ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం కష్టం అవుతుందన్నమాట. అందుకని డైరెక్ట్ గా దీన్ని రాసుకుని సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే మనం ఈజీగా ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ x into dx is equal to x square by 2, but here x into cos x dx, u is equal to first function x, dv is equal to cos 2x dx second function. Sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. By simplification, we get integral x into dx minus integral x cos 2x dx. This theta is 1. This integration is very simple. What about this integral? Integral x into cos 2x dx. This is by using integration by parts. Take this part. Take is equal to integral x into cos 2x dx. So our consideration is first function u is equal to x. So differentiating on both sides du is equal to dx. Second function, this is first function u. This is second function dv. dv is equal to cos 2x dx. Integrating on both sides, v is equal to sin 2x by 2. Write the formula. Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. U is equal to integral u means x, dv means cos 2x dx is equal to u means x, v sin 2x by 2 minus integral v sin 2x by 2 into du dx. Here 1 by 2 is constant, take common 1 by 2. So x by 2 sin 2x minus integral 1 by 2 into sin 2x dx. Integral sin x dx minus cos x. Similarly, integral sin ax plus b dx minus cos ax plus b by a. Similarly, integral sin 2x dx is equal to minus cos 2x by 2. Here x coefficient is 2. That equal to x coefficient by 2 కింద రాయాలన్నమాట. So integral sin 2x is equal to minus cos 2x by 2. Minus into minus plus. So what is the value of integral x into cos 2x dx? X by 2 sin 2x plus 1 by 4 cos 2x. This integration value substituting here. That means 1 implies 1 by 2 integral x into dx by using formula integral x power n formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 that equal integral 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 that equal integral x integral x dx is equal to x square by 2 minus the value of this integration is x by 2 sin 2x plus 1 by 4 cos 2x. So here minus. So minus x by 2 sin 2x minus into plus minus 1 by 4 cos 2x dx. So this is the integration of ninth problem. ఇలాంటి పవర్స్ వస్తే కనుక డైరెక్ట్ గా మీరు u ఫస్ట్ ఫంక్షన్ సెకండ్ ఫంక్షన్ కింద తీసేసుకోకూడదు. వితౌట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఇక్కడ u అండ్ v ఆర్ వితౌట్ పవర్స్ ఉండాలన్నమాట. పవర్స్ ఉన్నటువంటి ఫంక్షన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రిక్ ఫంక్షన్స్ బై యూజింగ్ మల్టిపుల్ అండ్ సబ్ మల్టిపుల్ యాంగిల్స్. హియర్ ఇక్కడ మీరు యూజ్ చేసే ఫార్ములాస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ sin ఆఫ్ ax plus b dx is equal to minus cos of ax plus b by x coefficient a by using these formulas. Okay, first read and write integration formulas మాట బాగా చదివిన తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లమ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. సో ninth problem is over. అంటే మధ్యలో మనకి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ వచ్చిందన్నమాట ఇక్కడ. నెక్స్ట్ goes to 10th one, log of 1 plus x square dx. So this problem is similar to 6th one, but here variable x, but here polynomial in place of x is equal to 1 plus x square. That is the difference between 6th and 10th. Okay, what is the solution? 10th, integral log of 1 plus x square dx. First function is, by according to the rule 11, the first function is log of 1 plus x square. Where is the other function? Treat as 1. So this can be written as 1 into dx. This is the second function. Take the first function u is equal to log of 1 plus x square dubs. That means differentiating on both sides. d by dx of u is equal to d by dx of log of 1 plus x square. That equal to du by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of log x? 1 by x. The derivative of 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square into d by dx of 1 plus x square. Okay, that is the derivative of log of 1 plus x square. First this treat as x, derivative of log x 1 by x into the differentiation of that consideration, that equal d by dx of 1 plus x square, that equal to 1 by 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of x square 2x, that means 0 plus 2x 2x, that equal to du by dx is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square, that means du is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So first function consideration and differentiation is over. Take the first function u is equal to log of 1 plus x square, differentiating on both sides, we get du is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square dx. We get the two functions, u is equal to, that is consideration function, u is equal to log of 1 plus x square, and the differentiable function du is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square dx. This is first function, this is second function. What is the second function? dv is equal to 1 into dx. So integrating on both sides, that means integral dv is equal to integral dx. So integral dv means v is equal to x. So v is equal to x and dv is equal to, there are four functions in it, u, v, du, dv. These values substituting in this formula. What is the formula? Integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v into du. Write the formula. In this formula, u is equal to, what is u? Log of 1 plus x square. What is dv? dv is equal to 1 into dx. What is u? Log of 1 plus x square v x minus integral. What is v? v is equal to x into, what is du? du is equal to 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So that equal to integral log of 1 plus x square dx is equal to x into log of 1 plus x square minus integral, 2 is constant right in front of integration. So x into x square by 1 plus x square dx. So what is the integration of integral x square by 1 plus x square? So by applying remainder theorem. Okay, so this is this fraction is very simple improper fraction, adding 1 and subtracting 1, that equal to x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into integral 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So x square by 1 plus x square, this x square can be written as 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. By separating these two, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So x square by 1 plus x square, this x square can be written as 1 plus x square minus 1. By separating term by term, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, so by numerator denominator cancel, that equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square. That means the partial fractions of improper fraction x square by 1 plus x square are 1 minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. By term integration, that equal to x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into integral 1 into dx. That means integral 1 into dx minus integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx, that equal to x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into integral 1 into dx x, integral 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x plus c. So the final integration is x log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into x minus tan inverse x plus c. సో మీరు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ బై పార్ట్స్ యూజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం రావాలన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయడం రావాలంటే కనుక బిఫోర్ 7 మోడల్స్ కూడా కంప్లీట్ గా చేసి ఉండాలి. The partial fractions of x square by 1 plus x square, అంటే మెథడ్ 7 మనకి మోడల్ 7 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయింది ఇక్కడ. దీనికి పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ సెపరేట్ గా మీరు కలపాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఇలాంటి సింథటిక్ గా చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు మేడం. 1 యాడ్ చేసి ఒక 1 సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తే కనుక 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. టర్మ్ బై టర్మ్ ఇది బై ఇది మైనస్ 1 బై 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ సెపరేట్ చేస్తే 1 మైనస్ 1 బై 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ మీకు రిమైండర్ థియరం యూజ్ చేసినా సరే దీని పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ 1 మైనస్ 1 బై 1 ప్లస్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఓకే, సో 1 కి ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ x ఇంటిగ్రల్ 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. The integration of integral log of 1 plus x square dx is equal to x into log of 1 plus x square minus 2 into x minus tan inverse x plus c. So ఇక్కడికి 10th ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీట్ అయింది. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ పార్ట్స్ మీద మరికొన్ని ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సో 10th ప్రాబ్లం ఇస్ ఓవర్.